Alright, so here it is, Xiaomi's take on notchless, holeless and popless future. The Mi 9 without the drop notch. Now this is Xiaomi's phone with under display selfie shooter, and here's a side by side comparison, Mi 9 no notch, no holes versus Mi 9 drop notch. And without any second thoughts, this looks awesome. Now this is the final solution we all were waiting for, and it's finally here, early. One thing worth noticing is that the lens is still visible. I mean, when the display is not on, not lit, you can still see the lens inside the front panel. You won't see this thing while using the phone itself. That's kind of visible but invisible. And yes, with this video, Xiaomi also showcased that this mechanism won't affect the selfie. The selfies looks super clean as water. Also, XJ posted this infographic design showcasing how this mechanism works and how the internal design looks like. We have this camera in between the chassis and display. Clean it is. So guys, this is it, Xiaomi's take on the notchless, holeless and popless future camera solution, and it looks nice. And in case you missed, Oppo and Samsung are already working on the same mechanism and same design phone, but right now it's Xiaomi versus Oppo, and which one looks better? Comment down right now. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.